Online and mobile banking gives you a variety of ways to manage your funds. Whether you're transferring funds within your membership, transferring funds to another member of the credit union, moving money to and from your accounts you have at other financial institutions, or sending money to family and friends, online banking makes it easy to manage your money. After logging into online banking, choose Transfers from the main menu. From the Transfers widget, you can transfer to and from shares within your membership. These transfers can be one-time or reoccurring transactions. They can be for today's date or a future date. In addition to transferring funds within your account, you can also transfer funds to other members of Community First. Choosing Transfer to a Member allows you to transfer one time to another member or link your accounts to be able to make outbound transfers to that member at any time. You will need information for the account holder that you would like to transfer to. You'll need their member number, last name, and the share ID that you would like to transfer to. Additional transfer options that are available are the ability to transfer to accounts you have at other financial institutions by adding an external transfer account. To add an external transfer account, you'll need the routing number and account number for your other financial institution. After completing a small micro deposit process and verifying your account, you'll be able to make transfers to and from your accounts at the other financial institution. The last transfer option in online banking is to send money to family and friends. To send money to family and friends using QuickPay, you'll need the mobile number or email address for the person that you would like to send funds to. You'll need to request this service. Please contact the credit union for additional information. Last, you can manage all of your transfer activity using Online Activity. Online Activity lets you know your transfers that are in process, are already processed, or recurring transactions.